Hey, congratulations, you did the right thing clicking on the link. Now, if you want to do yourself a favor, watch the rest of the videos. Once you finish watching the rest of the videos, go buy yourself a kettlebell and meet me Facebook Live weekday mornings, 6 a.m. for the Swingers Club. There it is. Part 4, Turkish getup. This is basically standing up from the lunge position. Now there's the standard way of coming up, and then there's the way that I like to do. Let's do it my way. So we're actually going to start from the top and go down. I'm going to set the kettlebell aside. We're going to stand with our feet about shoulder width apart. Now shift over onto one leg, pivot on the heel of the other foot 90 degrees. Place the toe down, shift your weight forward, rotate on the ball of the back foot. Now drop the knee. Going in the opposite direction, we're going to come back up, pushing into the front leg. We're going to drop the back heel, push our weight back onto it, pivot on the heel. Always pivot on the heels. That's the load-bearing part of the foot. The ball of the foot and the toes are for our balance, or among other things for balance, but the load-bearing section of the foot should be predominantly the heel. So one more time. The practice is heel, toe, toe, knee. Come back up, drop the heel, pick up the toe, pivot, feet forward. Now going the other way, same thing, shift to the other leg, open, place the toe, shift forward. Now with the leg unweighted, you can rotate on the ball of the foot, drop the knee. Up. Drop the heel, push, feet forward. Now we do this with the kettlebell at the top of the Turkish getup. So here we go for the whole thing. Undergrip the bell, reach around, use your body weight. 2 hands to the ceiling, seat the shoulder, knee bent, other leg straight, 45-degree arm. Press into the foot, roll up. 1, 2, 3. Lift the hips to the sky. Pull the leg through, place the knee. 90-degree step. Now I windmill until I'm basically into the lunge position, and now here we go. I'm going to shift up, drop the heel, shift over, boom, which turns me 90 degrees. Now the same thing. Shift the weight, pivot, drop. Kick the hip over, look at the kettlebell. Drop the hand, step 90 degrees. Leg goes through, drop the hip, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. Thumb under, pull it in. Excellent. One more time. This time we'll do it on the other side. There it is, the Turkish getup. We'll go over some variations in a future video about how to do this with momentum.
This is especially good for all of you jiu-jitsu players and MMA fighters. Not only is it a great workout, but it also exactly mimics getting up off the ground with somebody on top of you, how to do it. There we go. Congratulations on watching to the end. Do that with the rest of the videos, and you might just get your shit together. You know, nobody gets out of here alive, but the kettlebells are like the fountain of fucking youth, man. If you do this stuff regularly, it will change your life. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, comment below, make sure you turn notifications on, and share this on your page, man. Thanks.